Welcome to the assembly guide for your 5-piece round dining table set. Before we begin, please ensure your workspace is clear and you have your assembly tools ready. For more detailed assembly instructions, including specific parts and hardware labels, refer to the included manual. As with any of our product, please review our pre-assembly guidelines. The following parts and hardware are included in the package. Begin by preparing the tabletop. Align the wood dowels into the designated holes and join the two table halves together. Next, assemble the legs. Attach leg section 2 to leg section 1 and secure them at the bottom using the provided metal bracket and bolts. With the legs flipped over, attach the long connector. Secure it firmly into place using the bolt, spring washer, and flat washer. Similarly, attach and secure the short connectors to the remaining legs. The finished product should resemble a cross pattern placed across the leg base. Now, align your assembled base with the underside of the tabletop. Ensure the long connector is positioned exactly where the two table halves join. Secure the base to the top using the remaining bolts, spring washers, and flat washers. Finally, place the table upright. If you notice any wobbling, simply adjust the leg levelers until the table sits perfectly flat. The dining set comes with 4 easy assembly dining chairs. To begin assembly, first, align the seat to the chair back. Secure the seat via the middle holes using bolt, spring washer, and flat washers. Further secure the seat through the corner holes using similar hardware. Next, align the front legs to the seat and secure the pieces to the seat. Repeat the steps for all 4 chairs included in the set. Your round dining table set is now fully assembled and ready for use.